Getting confused about is it depends on who you're talking about here. So all these different organizations.
Okay, we're going to stop with all those. I said it is the Dawson. Where's the Dawson Place at Child Advocates?
We don't have. That's what I'm
I
telling you.
don't have advocates.
No, Dawson Place itself has no advocates.
Who's the advocates?
So there's the advocates either work for Providence Regional Medical Center, or there's advocates that work for the prosecutor. So there's advocates for both these organizations, but there's no advocates that work for Dawson Place.
So how can she find out who the advocates were for her daughter?
Well, it was.
You told me,
so
I think it was Carrie
saying,
Wallace.
So you are saying that the prosecutor provides advocates?
Well, what is probably a better word for them and how we introduce them is advocates, but they act as liaisons with the prosecuting attorneys on cases, and they only work with them during the case. So they advocate for the family during the court process, but they don't do any kind of civil work. So they don't go like to get protection orders or anything like that. They don't do that.
Who does that?
That would be under Providence.
Okay, and who was the helper for my daughter? Because we've identified the
Carrie Wallace was the
prosecutor part.
Was the liaison on that?
Who was the age?
I don't know if you had one or
not.
We
need to find one. We need to find out who that was and why I wasn't offered that.
Okay. So we can certainly see there may or may not be. I don't know if there's even a record of why you wouldn't have been offered that. Do you know what I mean? Because.
But you could find out who it is.
I could introduce you to the director of Providence and have you talk with her about